This brief training will show you how to take a screenshot of an image and save it in your picture folder, and then upload it into Google Drive, and then from there create a link in the DBL software where learners can or trainees can access the images you'd like. So here I have an image, let's say of a REPC, and I decide I'm going to I'm going to go ahead and add some information here. Let's say I'll put the buyer's name and say Jack Johnson. And let's make that a little bigger here. And I want it to fit, so the point here is I can obviously manipulate this in Word. We'll go ahead and I'll just take a second on this, not too long, and we'll go ahead and take out these parts right here, and there we go, got Jack Johnson. And so then I decide, okay, I'm going to have to go to another blank document. So I'll go to another blank document, and I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot. I'll take a screenshot of just the part that I want of the REPC, in this case, this image that I want to show, let's say. And I'm just randomly selecting whatever, nothing substantive here. Then I right-click, I save as picture, and we'll call it REPC example 2 here. So now that's saved in my picture file. And then I come over to Google Doc, that's the software, but let me come to my Google Drive. I'll come, I have a certain folder I like to play around in. And what I'll do is here, I'm going to go ahead and upload. I'm going to upload files. And I'm going to pick this example that I just created. I'm going to open it. And it should show up. And there it is. Then I right-click the image, go to Share, get Shareable Link. I'll copy the link. And then I'm going to come to the DBL software, go to my test model here, go to my problem bank. We'll use this problem here. And I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Now I can put anything here. I'll just say, link to example. Maybe I'll have some preliminary information prior, whatever you would like to have there. And then I highlight the word. I click the chain, the insert link icon, and then I insert the link and I click OK. So now when I go to, now I'm going to go over to student view on the test model, and I click here. There's the link, and when I click it, it opens to this image that I just created. It's not ideal. We're working on trying to make it so that we can upload the image right here, but this is a short-term workaround for now. Feel free to review this video as you need so, or contact us at any time. Thank you.